Update on the tanks. We're mounting some tanks right here. This is what we're building. There we go. We're welding some of the brackets in the back. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see. We're gonna drill some holes. We're gonna put some bolts up there going across this mount here, these brackets. And these are the tanks we're gonna mount up there. And they are 200-gallon tanks. They're gonna go right on top of that frame there that we're building. This guy's putting he is putting those bolts on here, drilling the holes. That way we can take the